What's up, everybody? It's your girl African Radius, and I'm coming to you with the DIY Turmeric Face Mask, and also how to remove the yellow tint that it leaves behind. As you can see right now, I just have some turmeric put on a plate. I didn't do an exact measurement, but you just want to have like a gravy-like consistency once you make it. Here now I'm taking some apple cider vinegar. I just poured it into that bottle because I didn't feel like taking the whole bottle. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right there. Now I am taking some honey, as you can see, and I'm just basically drizzling it on top. And the last ingredient that I'm using here is milk. And now we're just mixing it. And like I told you guys before, you want a gravy-like consistency. Not too watery, but not too thick. Okay, now I'm just, mixing it still. And now I'm just going to apply it. What you doing? Sus. Anyways, now I'm just going to apply it to my face. I know this video probably looks a little familiar, and if it does, that means that you have watched my last video, which was my easy face routine. I didn't put the turmeric mask in with that video, and I decided to make it separate simply because I don't always do a turmeric face mask, but it is one of my favorites. So I thought to just split up to two and show you my regular face routine, and then I thought this could be a good face mask video for you all, and also how to get rid of that yellow tint that it leaves behind. So yeah, you guys, please go and check out my super easy face routine. I will leave the link down below in the description box for anybody that's looking. Turmeric is a herb that can heal your skin, and it has many different jobs, but what I use it for is my acne, my dry skin, and even the dark circles under my eyes. Once I'm done applying the turmeric face mask, I'm just gonna let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes and then wipe it off. I think the question now is, how am I going to get this mask off without staining anything, which is very, very, very crucial to all of us that don't want to ruin anything. But you may know that you can wash it off in the sink, and your hands might get stained, but I have a way to get rid of that. You can use a wet rag like I'm doing, but I asked you to be very aware because it can stain your rag. So if you're going to do that, I would tell you guys to immediately run it under some hot water and then throw it into the washer to make the stain, maybe even less visible. Or also just be very, very aware that you shouldn't be using a light rag if you're very sure that, if you know for a fact that it stains. So try to use a dark rag, darker than the rag that I'm using, maybe like black. And now I'm going to take my cotton ball and some bottled water, and I'm just going to wet up the cotton ball and use some of my black soap to eliminate some of that yellow tint. Yeah, it looks pretty dirty. That's because of the black soap and the yellow tint. So yeah, but yeah. Now I'm going to take my witch hazel and another cotton ball, and I'm just going to put some on the cotton ball. And basically that is what I use to get rid of that yellow tint. That witch hazel is somewhat magic, honey. Like, it strips away all of that yellow tint that the black soap or any mild soap that you probably may use could not. You see that? You see it? Yeah, nothing to play with. And I also tried it on my fingers, and it works with that as well. So you guys, get you some witch hazel. Now I am going in with my African shea butter, which I love, love, love. I use this as my moisturizer, and it just has my face feeling so smooth. And I'm using the white one. Sometimes I use the yellow one, but I love the white one. It just feels different to me, but the yellow one works just as well. So you guys, get you some of this. This is the holy grail for that Melanin Magic glowing honeydew skin. And there she goes, honey. She's feeling good. That face is feeling good. She don't know how to act. Bang, honey. But yes, face looking nice. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is my best friend. Witch hazel is my best friend. That's also how I get rid of that yellow stain. My witch hazel really picks it up, as you've seen in the video. It really picks it up after I used it. So warning about that. But witch hazel, once you do a thorough cleanse and then you go in with that witch hazel, you still see that yellow, that's how you know that you really picked it up. Sometimes a mild soap can do the job, but if you really want to pick all of it up, this bad boy. Anyways, that is it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel and comment down below what else you want to see me, you know, make, what videos you want me to do. I have a lot of other DIY face masks that I do have in mind, but if it's anyone specifically that you want to see, comment that down below. There's so much more to come. Bye. Be easy, boy.